Surprise! An additional 38% crash is coming in the Nasdaq. How do we know that? Well, first of all, we have an inverted yield curve. Gold is taking off. And we have no buyers. The institutions aren't buying because the stocks, the big Nasdaq stocks, that's been leading this market since 2008, the valuations are insane. But my charts tell me. Let's take a look. Really simple. If you take a look at the crash we had in 2022, January 2022 to October, we dropped 38% in the Nasdaq, 38%. We're only 13% off or 11% off the bottom. We haven't even captured what we lost. We haven't even clawed back what we lost. Never mind make new highs. What are you, nuts? Compared to back here, after we had the crash in 2018, and we had for 16 weeks, the market dropped 20%. Then we regained all that 20%, and then went on to a new high, 54% rally. Then take a look over here, 2020, another crash. We went down over 5 weeks, 32%, and we turned around and we regained the losses of 32%. We went up another 120% and made new highs. So what the hell's going on here? We're going down over a year, 38%. We only regained 11 to 13%. What are you, nuts? How are we going to get up to here and regain all these losses? We're not. We're going to go down like this. We're going to go down another 30 to 40%. That's right. Because we're going to break this 10,000 right there. It tells you. I mean, when you look at the yield curve that's inverted, you look at the gold that's going through the roof, I mean, every signal is there. This market's going to go down, not up. So it's very important that you focus on the Nasdaq. That's where the answer is in the stock market. Once that Nasdaq drops 10,000, put on your parachute, or better yet, join my gang and learn how to sell short. See you on the charts.